And now our Pinaksiw na Lechon, Vinaigrette ham is ready for us to be enjoyed. That I showed you in the previous video how to cook. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The aroma is super yum. Let me turn off the stove. And now we're going to get the ham for you and me and all of us. Oh wow. And then look at that. And let me get the other mango. Pork to the bones. Pork from the bones. For you and me and all of us. Super yum. Oh my goodness. Come on in, eat. You're all invited at my table. This is really good. Now, let me bring you to our table with our rice and New York, Texas roast, and also, please let me stabilize my camera here. And we have fried rice as well, a little bit, and strawberries, veggies. And now we're going to, wow, this is really super flavorful. Steaming hot. Let me place this here. Our Pinaksiw na Lechon, Pinaksiw, Vinaigrette ham, Pinaksiw na Hamon. Delicious, super yum. Let me place, this is hot. Let's see here. For you and me and all of us, let's put it there. And we have pulled pork, pulled ham. Oh wow, for you and me and all of us. Wow, and then I added grinded black pepper, and I would like to add more for some kick. And also I added soy sauce, and I'll just add a little bit more. That's it. And this is New York, Texas toast, the one you see here. And then we're going to have our Cabernet Sauvignon, red wine without alcohol. Cheers for the new year. For long lives, prosperity, good health, and happiness. Love and light to us all. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by, by her daughter speaking to you over the video, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And this cookbook is available worldwide, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, you'll find at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores worldwide. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. You'll notice on the left is one of my 22nd book, How to Discern If God Calls You to Monastery Life. And on the right is The Rose and the Tilma that I have shown you in the previous video. And now, come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. And let us enjoy Pinaksiw na Hamon, Vinaigrette ham, Pinaksiw na Lechon. Oh my goodness, this is super yum. First, we are going to bless our food. Isn't it important? Mighty I am presence, accept this food. Make it pure and holy. transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustained. And so it is done, beloved, right now. Now this is your fork and spoon, and let's dig in. Oh my goodness, I don't know where to start. But first, let's have the ham, Pinaksiw. Let's see here. For you and me, and all of us. Yum. Super flavorful. The taste of the sweet and sour taste, the spices, the garlic that I have shown you in the previous video how to cook. This is super yum. And let's have our rice. And this is fried rice. For you and me and all of us, yum. I would like to have one more. This is really one of my favorites that, excuse me please, one of my favorites that my mom always cooked. Pinaksiw na lechon, vinaigrette ham. For you and me and all of us, yum. I love the taste. The sweet and sour taste. Oh my, this is really, really, really good. And let's have our strawberry. We didn't need all of us. And let's have our red wine tea. Excuse me, please. Cheers for the new year for all of us. Long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light forevermore. Really good. And I would like to invite you for a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. If you would like to order 1833 Got Crab or www.orderseafood.com 1833 Got Crab, and you will get 10% discount. Just use my name, Juanita. And thank you for all your support. Happy cooking. This is really, really, really good. Enjoy. Pinaksiw na hamon, pinaksiw na lechon, or however you call it, super flavorful. Vinaigrette ham. Enjoy. Really good. Happy cooking. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Kain na po tayo. Come on and eat. Napakasarap. Super delicious. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available worldwide at Amazon, Ex-Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Let's enjoy this super flavorful vinaigrette ham, pinaksiw na lechon, pinaksiw na hamon with this is super yum. I'm so excited. I'm speechless. New York toast, Texas toast, and our ham, vinaigrette ham with our rice. This is super, super delicious. Come on and eat. Enjoy.